How I use eggshells for plants and gardening. I use eggshells as fertilizer for garden soil. It provides a calcium for my plants. The extra calcium will help prevent blossom end rot. Plants can get a lot of nutrients from eggshells. Who would have thought that we can make a fertilizer out of these eggshells with no cost? I will show you how I use these eggshells as fertilizer. First, crush with your hand and spread a layer of crushed eggshells encircling plants. It is good as a barrier to deal with slugs and snails. Since the eggs are carriers of salmonella, we need to wash well first the shells, or sterilize first then let them dry, before reusing it to our plant. Since all plants take use of calcium in the soil, it is good to put some crushed eggshells so the plants don't get nutrient deficiency. So don't throw it away. Eggshells provide the essential plant micronutrient that helps the plant develop a strong cellular structure. If you're not a fan of eggshells infusion, you can pulverize the dried eggshells with a mortar and pestle, blender, or food processor. Eggshells is an organic fertilizer, so it will release slowly and is not so concentrated. They become a no-cost fertilizer, pest deterrent, cat deterrent, or pots for seeds. The composition of the eggshells contains a lot of useful calcium, and this by itself increases soil fertility. It increases permeability, which allows plants to receive more oxygen. It is possible to use whole eggshells in your soil, but they will decompose much faster if they are crushed or ground into powder. To apply, mix pulverized eggshells directly into potting soil. Over time, the eggshells will leach their nutrients into the soil and help the young plants grow into healthy, strong plants. Feed your plants with an eggshells to fertilize them and keep them healthy. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.